What's up YouTube? Sierra here with DIY Dwight, and Matt and I are building a garden for my dad for his birthday today. We are in North Carolina near Asheville, and we're just getting started. They're cool gardens and we think you're really gonna like them, so check it out. First things first, my dad picked up some lumber. We're doing this whole garden with 4x4s. We're gonna build them 5 4x4s tall, and they're about 4 foot wide.
5 feet wide.
5 foot wide.
12 feet long.
12 feet long. We're gonna put it right here. Let's do it. Matt is using a pickaxe to dig out on one side of the garden 4x4 so that we can make sure that the garden beds are level. And just like that, it's rolled into place. Matt's checking to make sure that we are 4 foot on center because there's going to be a few of these gardens and we want them to all be in line with each other.
I want to tell the beautiful people of YouTube that it doesn't have to be perfect. We're not making a perfect symmetrical garden bed. We're just trying to make it look good.
Yes. The Dwights really aren't here for perfection. If you're watching our YouTube channel for perfection, you're on the wrong channel. This is really just do your best and have fun while you do it.
But also, these are really easy garden beds to make. There's not a whole lot of measuring, not a whole lot of cutting. Just takes 4x4s. Okay, first
True
one's
story.
made.
Now Matt's just gonna lay out the other side. Now Matt is gonna dig out the other side. And then he flips it into place. Matt is cutting out for the cross piece now. We just cut it down to 41 inches. These first ones are the hardest just to get it all set up, and then after that it's just one on top of the other. Perfect fit.
Mostly.
And now we just need to do that again for the other side.
Surprisingly square.
Awesome. Now the rest of this simple planter build is pretty easy. It's measure, cut, put in place, nail in place, and then we repeat. Now we only have to cut the cross pieces because the long pieces we're just going with their original length.
Make it look pretty.
Yep, this is the last one. Matt's just nailing in. And then we're gonna cut off the ends and square it up, make it look pretty. And then we're gonna do this 2 more times. Alright everybody, that's the finished garden. Tomorrow the dirt arrives and we're gonna build 2 more tonight. And so we'll check back in with you guys tomorrow when the dirt arrives and we'll get some planting.
Planting!
Woo!
Look at all this asparagus.
Yeah, check out this asparagus, you guys.
You ever seen purple asparagus?
Yes,
I have now.
super cool. See you tomorrow, YouTube.
Bye! I quit.
The dirt arrived and now Matt is just kind of, what do you call this, Matt?
I'm organizing the dirt.
Organizing the dirt.
No, we're just
We
filling
got
up the
one garden
beds.
filled up. Now this one.
Yep.
And then that one.
Here comes Farmer Phil with his load of dirt.
Here comes Farmer Phil. Last night we were able to finish these 2 other gardens. And then the dirt arrived this morning. Here comes Farmer Phil, the birthday boy, in his happy place with his tractor full of dirt. Whoa, dropping dirt.
You got to work what?
I decided I should probably help Matt organize the dirt. After Matt, my dad, and I finished putting all the dirt in these gardens, we headed up to the local nursery to pick out all the vegetable plants that he wanted to plant in his garden. Now, unfortunately, it rained for the next 2 days, and Matt and I had to leave to head back to Texas. So we weren't able to plant the vegetables for him, but he did get it done, and this next video clip is him showing off his garden and the finished product for you guys.
I wanted to give you a shot of the garden in its now planted form. We end up with 2 rosemary bushes that Julie wanted to have access to, and of course this is the existing asparagus bed that we've had since we moved here. I pulled out all the blueberry plants except for 2 that were doing better. We'll see how they do over the next couple of years. In the beds that we built, the raised beds, we've got 2 types of tomatoes and 2 types of bell pepper. We'll see how that works out. In the second bed, we put seeds for radishes, green onions, and leaf lettuce, and then put some marigold in for a little color and insect repellent, we hope. In the third bed, I put 6 hills each of summer squash and cucumber. Might get a little crowded, so I'll probably have to thin them out at some point, but we'll see how it goes. We just want to make sure everything comes up initially, and if this all works out, then we'll put in a couple, 3 more beds for next year. Anyway, thanks for the help, guys. Bye-bye.
All right, YouTube, well, that's a wrap for this week. We really hope you enjoyed the video and the gardens that we put together for my dad.
If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel already, be sure to do that by clicking the subscribe button below. It lets us know that you like our videos and lets you know when we post a new one.
And it is my dad's birthday, or it was his birthday, so if you feel like it, put happy birthday down in the comments below and we'll show it to him. He'd love to see it.
All right, we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.